So my loves, today we are doing cat eye gel polish. Welcome back my loves. Welcome back to our channel. So to start with, we are applying our base coats. By now you should know that we don't joke with base coats. We always apply base coats before we start or go add in our base color. Okay, and the reason is because so that your nails or your gel will not peel off, or your paint will not peel off. Okay, yes, so now it's going to make it smooth. Your application is going to be smooth. Okay, yes, very important. Now we are going with our base color, which is this black gel polish. Okay, yes, we can choose to use red. On my live video, if you are watching this video, means I have already done the live video. Okay, yes, I've already done the live video, and on the live video we actually used red as our base color. Okay, that is actually the same thing, but the difference is red. We use red as base color, but now we are using black. Okay, just to see the difference, you can go on my live video and check and watch. Okay, now yes, so now we're going to apply our base color. We'll cure for 60 seconds and then we'll dive over to the next step. I always try as much as possible to make my videos to be as fast, okay, and short as it can be. Okay, so we don't waste our time. Okay, yeah. So this is what is looking. Black is actually a very beautiful color. We did the other hands off camera, and then let's dive over to the next step, which is this silver cat eye gel polish. Okay, so you're going to apply your silver gel, cat eye gel. Okay, and then you're going to use a magnet to just play around. Guys, I've given you guys detailed tutorial videos of how to do cat eye. Okay, how to get different designs with cat eye, but today we're not really doing much. We're just going to play around with the magnet, and then once it gets to what we feel like it's okay, we're going to drop it and then go over to the next one. Okay, yeah. So as you can see, I'm trying to use the magnet to play around it, to to pop the cat eye out, to position it the way you want it to position. So in this particular hand, I was actually trying to push it to the middle. Okay, I'm trying to form like push the cat eye to the, or the glitters rather, to the middle, and I was satisfied with this look and I dropped it. Okay, so basically all you have to do is just to play with your cat eye, play with the magnet around it. Once it gets to how you want it or where you're satisfied with, you can now cure. Okay, and that is basically we did for this cat eye part. So we did other hands off camera, okay, just to avoid the video to be too lengthy. And this is what is it's giving. Like, guys, tell me in the comment section if this did not hit. I think it gave. Okay, so over to the next step. You are going to be using your jelly gel. or your jelly polish, whichever you want to call it, okay? But because I don't have a jelly gel, what I did was I mixed base coat with red gel polish, and it gave me this, you know, it gave me this look, okay? So if you have a jelly gel or you have a jelly polish, please go with it. That's perfect, okay? Once when you use your jelly gel or your jelly polish on top, guys, it's the same thing. Jelly gel and jelly polish is actually the same thing, okay? So once you use your jelly polish, it's going to give you a very unique design, okay? But as you can see, it's not really giving me what I actually wanted, because this is not a actual jelly gel. Okay, what I did, because I don't have a jelly gel, I mixed my base coat with red gel polish, and it gave me this look. Although I think it actually came out fine. I think it's actually beautiful. It's something that you can rock for this Christmas. What do you think, guys? Tell me in the comment section. But I think it actually came out nice, but not as nice as it would look like if I had used a jelly polish. Okay, yeah. So if you have a jelly polish, please use it. That's actually the best, and only alternative. Okay, but because I don't have it, that is why I am using this method, and I think it came out nice. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section. And this is what it's giving. I did the other hands off camera, and this is the look it's giving me. Guys, what do you think? I think this is beautiful. What do you think, guys? So I decided to reapply it again. That's double coat it to see if the red is going to pop out. Okay, so just do according to what your instinct tells you to do. Okay, on the one we did I'm so sorry, guys. On the one we did on our live video, we actually applied it once, okay? But this particular one, I chose to apply it twice. But the one we did on our live video, which has the red base, we applied it once, and it still came out beautiful. Although they both look similar, but it came out beautiful, okay? Yeah, so we have come to the end of our video, guys. As soon as we apply this, we actually cured this for more than 120 seconds, okay? Because remember, this is actually base coat, okay? I mixed base coats with red gel polish, so we actually cured for more than 120 seconds, okay? I think I cured for 60 seconds, 3 times, 3 to 4 times. That's 240 seconds, if I'm correct, if I'm not mistaken, okay? So because it's base coat, please cure it very well before applying your top coat, okay? So that to avoid folding and damaging your nails, okay? This is what it's giving. I think it's beautiful. What do you guys think? So now we are going to be applying our top coat, just to seal this design and then give it extra shine. Yes, top coat seals design means once you apply your top coat and you dry it, the design does not get sticky. Your nails does not get sticky anymore. It will come as beautiful and shiny, okay? Yes, and this is the finished look. Tell me, guys, what you think about this video. Just drop your honest review, and please don't forget to like, drop a comment, and eh, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please subscribe. I am begging you, please subscribe. That is the only way you are actually encouraging me, and that's the only way you are telling YouTube to push this small channel, to other viewers, okay? Tell me what you think. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoy it, and drop a comment whether you like the video or not. Tell me. If you don't like it, tell me, okay? See you guys on our next video. Bye. Mwah.